If you want to remove the Microsoft Edge browser icon from the taskbar in Windows 11, you can do it in just a few seconds. This is a simple Windows customization tip, and it's perfect if you want a cleaner desktop, a different browser pinned instead, or just less clutter on your taskbar. If this video helps you, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Windows tips and tutorials. Now let's jump right in. To start, look at your Windows 11 taskbar and find the Microsoft Edge icon. It usually appears near the other pinned apps at the bottom of the screen. Once you see it, right-click on the Edge icon. A small menu will appear with a few options. From that menu, click Unpin from Taskbar. That's the key step, and it removes the Edge shortcut from your taskbar immediately. Once you click it, the Microsoft Edge icon will disappear from the taskbar and your changes will be saved right away. There's no extra confirmation needed, and you don't have to restart your computer. This is one of the easiest ways to customize Windows 11 and keep only the apps you actually use pinned to your taskbar. If Edge is still opening from somewhere else, just remember that unpinning it from the taskbar does not uninstall the browser. It only removes the shortcut from the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. You can still open Edge later from the Start menu, Search, or any desktop shortcut if you need it again. And if you ever want it back, the process is just as easy. Open the Start menu, search for Microsoft Edge, then right-click it and choose Pin to Taskbar. That puts the icon right back where it was. So that's it. You've now removed the Edge browser icon from the taskbar in Windows 11 in just one simple step. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Windows 11 tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.